Hi everybody, I'm Lee Roth. I'm a certified Dean King graduate and a certified master instructor for the Dean King. I was actually trained by Skip Phipps in our Missouri location about 15 years ago. I started training for Dean King about 6 years ago now. I've got a tremendous amount of passion for the PDR industry and especially glue pulling in general. The thing I love most about training is the ability to form the next generation of technicians. And be able to help them and mentor them along the way and be able to help them through their career in the future and be able to see the success that I've helped instill in them. And one of the things that I love about the way we train and the way, everybody at the Dean King does do our instruction and our education curriculum is we're genuinely over the shoulder, one-on-one, watching everything that you do, helping you through all the steps. And it's not a puppy mill situation. We're wanting to genuinely train you for you to be able to succeed in the industry, to be able to take it to a new level, and for you to be the next generation of high quality technicians for the future. Whether you want to be a door ding, route guy, working dealerships and body shops, or if you're going to be on the hail trail, whether or not you want to chase hail for a living, either way, you'll be able to learn those aspects of the industry, how to build your business, how to better your financial situation based on your location, and how to price things according to the industry. I'm currently the instructor over the Texas location and the Colorado location. I travel back and forth between the two of them. So whichever location you would like to come to, all you have to do is look us up, give us a call, and we'll be able to get you set up for either one of those locations. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.